Good morning, friends. Today we are going to talk about Van der Waals equation. That Van der Waals equation talk about the behavior of the real gas, which deviates from the behavior of the perfect gas at a high pressure and low temperature. Then, perfect gas is a collection of the very large number of individual molecules that not expect forces upon each other except by the elastic collision, and which are so small and they can be treated as if they were zero volume massless points. The behavior of the real gases deviates only at very low pressure. For that purpose, correlation for the finite size of the gas molecule is there, that's shown by the Van der Waals equation. Van der Waals equation gives the correction in the volume, that is the Vx will be that Va is equal to 8x, and that will change by the V. We are not going in the particular thing. Then the PV is equal to RT will change as the P in bracket V minus B is equal to RT. Then correction for the intermolecular attraction, which is given by this particular van der Waals, that is a new equation which arises after taking all this thing, that is a P plus A upon V square in bracket V minus B is equal to RT. That is a van der Waals correction for the pressure as well as the volume, or say we can call it as attraction. Then this equation you have to remember, P plus A upon V square in bracket V minus AB is equal to RT, where A and B are the characteristics of the each gas and can be obtained by analyzing the van der Waals equation of the state of the critical point. Then comparison of the experimental isothermals with van der Waals equation. The relation between the van der Waals parameters and the critical constant. We now get the van der Waals equation as P plus A upon V square in bracket V minus B is equal to RT. Here are the some derivatory part. We are not going to take this part. We are skipping that part. This critical coefficient is RT. See here, this is a critical coefficient RTC divided by PCVC is called as the critical coefficient. Okay, please remember this. Now we talk about the Boyle's temperature. This is the PV versus T diagram. Below the what is the Boyle temperature? At low temperature, its value is negative and its value increases with 0 to positive values at higher temperature. The temperature at which the coefficient B is 0 is called as the Boyle's temperature. This B below the Boyle's temperature, the gases are highly compressible, and this suggests the existence of the intermolecular attraction. Beyond the Boyle's temperature, the Boyle's law is obeyed and the intermolecular attraction are less significant. Boyle's temperature from the Van der Waals equation, that is given PV, that TB is equal to 27 by 8 T, that you have to remember. Merits and demerits of the Van der Waals equation. Merits and demerits of the Van der Waals equation has been very useful. The equation is very useful in understanding the many particles properties of the gases, evaluation of the critical constant, deviation of the equation of corresponding state, the continuity of the gases to the liquid state. When it's subjected to experimental verification, we find considerable discrepancies. We have to see that for CO2, the curve drawn from the Van der Waals equation do not coincide with the experimental curves of the Andrews mark. Discrepancy is observed for the isothermal below the critical one, where the van der Waals gives one maxima and one minima. Van der Waals equation suppose A and B to be the constant, and these are different for the different substance and even vary with the temperature for the particular substance. It predicts Vc is equal to 3b, but the experimental data prove that Vc is equal to V. Boyle's temperature derived from the Van der Waals equation does not match with the experimental facts. The critical coefficient RTC upon PCVC has a value 8 by 3, and this value is independent of the nature of the gas, but experimentally the value of the critical coefficient for the various gases are the greater than the 3. That is very much important that equation gives. Here are the some numericals are solved here. You can see this. The equation of the state of the real gas says the constant is determines What they determines? PCVC, no, that volume and pressure. From the van der Waals equation, one can deduce the critical temperature Tc of a substance is proportional to A by B. When the temperature of the gas is increased at constant pressure, the potential of the molecule decreases but their kinetic energy increases. Real gases can be treated as near ideal gas when real gas system is at very high temperature but at a slender pressure. A dimension of a constant B in van der Waals equation are that of the volume. Okay, according to the van der Waals equation, critical coefficient RTC is equal to 8 by 3. In general gas equation, PV is equal to RT. Van der Waals introduce a correlation factor A by V square in pressure. This term represents attractive force between molecules that you have to remember. This is about this particular behavior of the real gases. Here we will stop. Thank you.